Introducing 559 Appliance Repair, your reliable partner for all your appliance needs. Say goodbye to appliance troubles and hello to hassle-free solutions that restore the functionality of your valuable appliances. Our team of skilled technicians is here to tackle any appliance challenge you face. Whether it's a temperamental washer, a clattering dryer, a dishwasher that's lost its cleaning touch, or a refrigerator that's not keeping things cool, we have the expertise to diagnose and fix the issue with precision. What sets us apart is our unwavering commitment to delivering exceptional service at affordable prices. We believe in providing top-notch repairs without straining your budget. Experience the best of both worlds, quality workmanship and competitive pricing. Time is precious, and we understand that. That's why we offer same or next day appointments, so you can get your appliances back in working order quickly. Our fully equipped technicians arrive punctually, armed with the necessary tools and parts to provide efficient on-site repairs, minimizing any disruption to your daily routine. Transparency is our guiding principle. We provide free phone estimates, ensuring you have a clear understanding of the repair costs upfront. No surprises, no hidden fees. Just honest and fair pricing that you can rely on. To make your experience even more convenient, we have a user-friendly website at www.easyrepairs.org. Explore our comprehensive range of services, browse testimonials from satisfied customers, and discover valuable tips for maintaining your appliances. We empower you with knowledge to make informed decisions about your appliance repairs. When you choose 559 Appliance Repair, you're choosing a team that genuinely cares about your satisfaction. We take pride in our meticulous workmanship, attention to detail, and commitment to excellence. Rest assured, your appliances are in the hands of experts who go the extra mile. If you're tired of appliance woes, give us a call at 559-736-1960. Our friendly and knowledgeable staff are ready to assist you and schedule a service appointment that fits your schedule. Trust us to deliver efficient and effective solutions that restore your appliance's functionality. Thank you for choosing 559 Appliance Repair, where work quality and customer satisfaction are our driving forces. Join our family of delighted customers and experience service that exceeds your expectations.